How to list hotel on Cleartrip. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to list hotel on Cleartrip. So the first thing you should do is you have to go to the Cleartrip website, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the Partner with Us section, look for the link that says hotels or add your property. So it's very important to sign up as a hotel partner first. You will be directed to the registration page where you can start the process to sign up as a hotel partner. Click on register your property or join now to begin. After that, you need to enter the basic information such as your hotel name, location, contact details. After that, you need to submit property details. For example, property type, number of rooms, room types, amenities, nearby attractions. Once you've added or submitted property details, the next thing to do is you have to upload photos. So you need to upload high quality images such as photos for hotel rooms, lobby, any amenities, and exterior of the property. After that, you can now set pricing and availability. You need to define room rates for each type of room and then set up your calendar. Next, review payment and commission terms. After that, you can now submit your application and wait for approval. Cleartrip will verify your listing, which may take a few days. They may contact you for additional details, clarifications. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.